Guys, let's go. Let's go to the update, guys. We're playing Row Garden for the Beanstalk event. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And follow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why my friend is too late? My friend is too late, guys. My friend is too late. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, bro. Hi, bro. This is my garden, bro. This is my garden. Bro, this is my garden. I'm got an Aura farm. Aura. Alright, guys. Bro. Alright. My Aura. Oh. That's all. He's bold. He's bold, guys. He's bold. He's bold. I think this is bold. This is so bold. Nothing non-stop. Oh. Guys, I use my sister's AirPods. Bro. I use my sister's AirPods. Alright, we're waiting for the event. Oh, wait, that is. We're waiting for the event, guys. We're waiting for the event. Event. We're waiting for the event. We're waiting for the event. Oh. Oh, there's so many playing Grow Garden now. OMG, guys. OMG, guys. Wait. Hey, Robiato. Just join me, Robiato. Please. Just join me. Join me, Jet. Join me. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna invite everyone. Oh. I think. Bro. Shout out to Crickcraft, guys. Shout out to Crickcraft. Yeah, this is Latrad Aura Farm. Whoa. Bro, guys, the event is it's too late. The event is too late, guys. Shout out to Crickcraft. Shout out to Crickcraft. OMG. OMGs. We're waiting. Can we go over there? Oh my god. Let's see, guys. The event is too late. Oh. Oh. Bro, where is Jet? It's too late. Bro, Jet. Jet ski, why are you so late? Jet ski, why are you so late? Jet ski. Oh. Nothing beats a jet ski holiday. Oh, see. Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. Oh, Shiba. Oh. Oh. It's 9:05. It's 9:05. Oh my god, guys, the event is Play a goal. Yes, 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 my friend, my friend. Let's go. Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. Let's go. Let's wait. Oh, bro. Let's wait for the admin abuse. Let's let's wait for the admin abuse. Oh my god, friend. Oh my god, friend. Follow me, bro, follow me, bro, follow me, bro, follow me. Oh, bro. Damn. I'm recording. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm recording, bro. Oh my god. Sub guys. Oh my god. Subs. Let's go. Subscribe. If Jandil is gonna do an admin abuse. Oh my god, guys, subscribe. Whee! Yay, bro, yay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so real. It's the largest. Oh my god. I don't consent to this. Nah. The admin abuse is gone. It's gonna going. It's raining tacos from out of. I hope my fan and your fans see this. Yeah, bro, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, why the admin abuse is late? Oh my god. The admin abuse is late. OMG guys, so late. With my friend here, Rubiato. Bro is online, so always online. Bro. Maybe Jandil is waking up his wife. Maybe. Oh my god. Yo. OMG, bro. Bro, go. Faster. Bro. Go faster, bro. Go faster. Go faster. Go faster. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why the admin abuse is so late? Oh, there he is. Oh, 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 oh. Alright, nice. Nice, dude, nice. Oh my god. Nice, dude. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Bro. Wait, can I do part 2?